good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gambler Bear Show. And today we will have an unleashing of a kit, and I'm so excited for this because this is a big one, a very big kit. Yep, and yeah, I've ordered this one. I don't know why. It's not part of my plan to have this as my backlog. Or maybe I will give some time to build this. Yeah, I don't know, but when I see this on the online shop, and then having its very low price, the lowest price on the Shopee, yeah, I got that rush on my nerves and click checkout, and yeah, I bought it. Okay, so without further ado, I have here the kit. Yeah. It's a big one, as you can see. It's a big one, and I don't know if you know it, but I know I already know because you already saw it on my thumbnail. But yeah, let's have the excitement of unleashing this kit, because yeah, it's very exciting, and I don't know if I can really build this on due time. So yeah, let's go with my rusty old cutter right here. Let's go. Let's unleash. Let's go. It's so big, it really takes time to unleash it. But yeah, we have here your very big kit right here, and this is your this is your Typhus. I don't know how to do it, how to press, but it for me it's Typhus Gundam Chimera. Okay, from the god Typhoon. I think it's from the Greek mythology. And yeah, this is from the Gundam Build Metaverse OVA special. I don't know because it's really short. It has only 3 episodes, but still, it's a good one to, let's say, introduce some new kits and improve kits, which we are all been poisoned on that 3 episodes. Having all those new kits that have released. And I know there was more kits to be released on that 3 episodes. Okay, so yeah, if you want to watch it, you can go to the Gundam info in the on YouTube, and maybe we also have some QR code right here. Oops, yeah, right there. As you can see, it's on the backs. You can have that QR code if you can scan it. I don't know if you can, but yeah, try. I don't know, it can't focus. But yeah, this is your Typhus Gundam. Typhus. I don't know how to do it, but yeah, for me it's Typhus Gundam, and as I can see it, it's a combination of your Raphael Gundam, your I forgot the term. It's from the Barbatos one. It's like it's the flying jetpack, like that kind of it's not a mobile suit, it's not also a mobile armor, but it's just a transportation kind of gimmick. And then what else? Okay, the hand of your Psycho Gundam. Yeah, am I right? Psycho Gundam. Yeah, that's it. I think it's 3 combinations: the Raphael, the unit, the flight unit of some of that. Yeah, and then the Psycho Gundam's hand. I think that's for the Mark III Psycho Gundam. Am I right? Yeah. So that's it. That's our Typhus Gundam right here. Typhus Gundam Chimera. That's it. Okay. So a chimera, which means still on the Greek mythology, chimera is a combination of different kind of monsters, animals, any kind of living things that can be fused together, and then they will be called chimera. So yeah. And your Typhus Gundam is very big. This is the length. As you can see, this is my hand. Yeah, that's it. That's how big it is. And as I know, maybe it has how many runners that we can have here? Maybe more than 15 runners, maybe. Yeah, I know there are some YouTubers already that have this kit on their review. So you can go there, you can see some of those information. But yeah, on the review, we'll have a different view of it. We'll have different perspective. And I will have mine right here next time. Because, same as usual, we will have an unboxing, a speed build. Yeah, I hope I can have, because there's so many and very big kit right here. And then a quick look and also a full review of this kit, which is the one of the very most important thing about these videos, okay? Or these vlogs. The review itself, okay? So yeah, I'm excited. And as I know, you can put some other kits right here inside the, what you call that? Type, what is that? I think it's called, I don't know. I don't know what is it, but yeah, we will know that on the review, because I will get some of those information, okay? So yeah, as you can see, I'm very excited to build this kit. Maybe we'll have some prioritize this one, but if you want to, just comment down there below so that we will have that next time, okay? So it's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification button to be informed for my next video, okay? So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Joblover Show signing off. I hope you subscribe, you share, you like, and then comment down there below. Whatever it is, just be respectful, okay? And yeah, Typhus Gundam, a very big, and yeah, it's very heavy. Literally, it's very heavy. I think it's more than 1 kilo, maybe. So yeah, it's heavy. Okay, that's it. Thank you, and goodbye.